Nom, 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 nom.
Oh no, Thomas. The dinosaur came out to play. He's gonna show you who's boss. What? Chompy? Chompy, stop chewing on my toys. Oh, I mean, I guess that toy's broken, so yeah, you can chew on it.
Attention all kids. Do you like toys? Do you love toys? Well, if you love toys, you need to get the Big Jumbo Box of Toys. It comes with so many toys. It's only $300. You'll never get toys again in your life. So if you love toys, you need to get the Big Jumbo Box of Toys. If your parents love you, they'll get it for you. So go get it right now.
A big jumbo box of toys, $300. I need it. These toys are stupid. Oh my God, I really need those toys, Dad.
361 minutes until Charlie and Friends goes on. Man, I can't wait.
Dad, Dad, Dad.
What do you want, Junior? I'm waiting on Charlie and Friends to come on.
Okay, well, I was playing with Thomas
Yeah.
and my dinosaur, and then the TV came on with a commercial showing the big jumbo box of toys. It's only $300, but it says it gets you so many toys, you never need any more toys for the rest of your life.
$300? No. I'm not spending $300 on toys. You got enough toys, Junior.
I do not have enough toys.
Yes, you do.
You know, when the house burnt down, our last house, when we moved to a stupid apartment, I lost all my toys, so I only have like 7.
Well, that's enough. Can't you play with 7 toys?
No, Dad, I really want the big jumbo box of toys. It's only $300.
Look, I'm not paying $300 for some toys, okay? You're going to have to earn your own money. You're going to have to work for the money. Shake a little tail. Do like your dad did when he was young.
But Dad, they're not going to hire a 6-year-old.
Oh, yeah, they'll hire a 6-year-old to do some trafficking or something.
Oh.
But you're going to have to work for it, okay? I'm not giving you any cash, so just get out of here.
Oh, okay.
Rude. All right, Charlie. Ooh, I'm about to make the sweetest lemonade ever. Oh, it's gonna be good.
Chef Pee-Pee, I'm really sad.
What are you sad about now? You have like the perfect life, Junior.
No, I don't. I need more toys, and I saw a commercial for the big jumbo box of toys. It's only $300, and my dad will buy it for me.
Oh, surprise! That's a good parent. If he's not gonna buy it, you'd already have enough toys.
I do not have enough toys.
Yes, you do, Junior. You have trains and dinosaurs. You have everything.
No, I don't. And he said I have to work for my own money.
Oh, that's good parenting. I applaud Bowser for that one. He deserves a round of applause.
What type of job can a 6-year-old do?
I don't know. You can probably sell lemonade. A lemonade stand.
That sounds awesome.
I was kidding, Junior. Nobody needs a lemonade stand anymore. It's not the 1920s. You can go to a store and get a drink.
But this is really cool. I can bring back the lemonade stand. Maybe get hip and hop again.
No.
I'm gonna borrow this picture.
Wait, what? And how much money do you think you're gonna make?
I'm also gonna borrow these lemons, and I'm about to make about $1 million. Watch me.
Oh, okay.
Lemonade, 50 cents. Who wants some lemonade for 50 cents?
Hey, Julie, what are you doing?
Selling some lemonade for 50 cents. You want some?
Lemonade? Wait, are you selling it for a good cause?
Oh, yeah, it's a really good cause.
What is it?
It's the Junior Needs Some More Toys Fund. It just came out this morning when I realized I needed more toys.
Oh, well, I'll support it. 50 cents, here you go.
Okay, are those real?
Yeah, they're real, man. They're made in America.
Here's your cup. And here comes your lemonade.
All right, make sure you don't spill it. Wait. Oh, what?
What?
Pink lemonade, 25 cents.
Hey, give me back my 50 cents.
Why?
Because that's pink lemonade. Give me some of that. Whoa, pink lemonade? Are you kidding?
Yep, it's pink.
How did you get it like that? Please tell me.
Oh, I'll never tell.
And it's only 25 cents?
Yep.
Oh, man, give me a cup of that.
Could you put it in the coin block, please?
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you. Okay,
There you
one pink lemonade coming right up.
Okay.
There you go, Toad.
Man, does that look magnificent? I got me some pink lemonade.
Oh, hey, Junior. You want any pink lemonade? It's only 25 cents.
25 cents? How do you make a profit? I mean, no, I do not want any of your pink lemonade, Cody.
Well, then what are you doing here? Kind of far from your apartment, don't you think?
No, it's not far. I'm just going for a walk. What are you selling it for?
I'm selling it because I need money for an operation.
Sounds fake. You're faking it, aren't you?
No.
Oh, anyway, what the hell are you doing here, Cody?
What?
What do you call this?
It's a lemonade stand, Junior.
I call it a piece of crap. I mean, do you mind looking across the road and telling me what you see?
Oh, is that your lemonade stand?
Yep, it's my lemonade stand, and it's a pretty nice one. And I would just like it if you could just back off.
Back off? Junior, this is my neighborhood. That's my house back there.
So?
So I'm not going to tear down my lemonade stand because you're not making money in my neighborhood.
Well, you expect me to make a lemonade stand at my apartment complex?
Well, yeah.
That'd be stupid. I wouldn't make any sales. The resale value would suck.
Well, it's not my fault you live in an apartment, Junior. Why don't you just go to Joseph's neighborhood?
Because I don't know where he lives.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, Junior.
Well, I mean, what are we going to do? You just going to steal all my customers and make all my money?
How about this? How about we put our lemonade stands together, and I'll split the profits with you 50-50.
Oh, so you're saying your lemonade's better than mine?
No, that's not what I'm saying at all.
Oh, so you think you can sell more lemonade than me?
No.
Well, if it's the war you want, then you got it, punk. Your lemonade's pink. That's gay. Only girls drink pink. Girl pink. Stupid lemonade gay.
Bye, Junior.
Cody wants to sell lemonade in this neighborhood? Who the hell do you think you are?
What?
Lemonade, 20 cents.
What?
Lemonade, 15 cents.
Junior, I'm not going any lower.
Lemonade, 10 cents. That's not the lowest I'm going.
Junior, that's ridiculous.
Okay, fine. 25 cents it is. Who wants some lemonade for 25 cents? Oh, Cody, it's on my Donkey Kong. Cause look at my customer. You want some lemonade? Stop messing up my lemons.
Hey, you want some pink lemonade?
Damn it, Cody!
Thank you, Mr. Gorilla.
Cody, what the hell are you playing at?
What are you talking about, Junior?
Stealing all my customers just by saying, hey, the pink lemonade, you 25 cents.
Yeah, that's basically what I've been saying.
Well, I'm getting real mad, Cody. And when I get real mad, I make some really bad decisions that I'm not too proud of.
Okay.
Yeah, so just know you're about to not make another quarter. You're not going to see 25 cents for the rest of your life because I'm going to get the sales going real bad. Stupid Cody, you want to steal my customers? Lemonade, 25 cents! It's original yellow lemonade. I was the first one to do it.
Oh, whoa, kid, whoa! I really need a drink. I've been fighting fires all morning and I am dehydrated.
Okay, it's 25 cents for a cup of lemonade.
Oh, I don't have my wallet on me.
Okay, go get it.
Well, I can't. I'm on duty. I've been fighting fires and I can't keep my wallet. So.
Are you trying to scam me or something? Because my lemonade is the best lemonade in town.
I don't have my wallet with me.
Well, if I get free lemonade to you, I'd have to give it to the next guy and the next guy. And I just said that's not how business works, mister.
Well, look, I'll come back and pay you later on today.
Nah, that's not gonna work.
What?
No free for firefighters and police officers.
What?
Yeah, see ya. He's got pink lemonade, and he's probably not a dick.
Oh, real nice, Cody, showing your ass.
Whoa, thanks, kid. Hey, you believe that asshole over there? I saved his house from a fire, and he didn't even thank me. I didn't even get paid, and now he won't even give me lemonade. What a jerk.
Cody, I hope you get syphilis and die.
So, Junior, how is your stupid lemonade stand going? Did you make $1 million yet?
No, I haven't made a single dime.
Why?
Because I'm selling it for a quarter.
So damn stupid, Junior. It wasn't even funny.
I know. I'm not getting any sales. Because look at Cody. He has a pink lemonade stand across the street.
Pink lemonade?
Well, why is he getting more sales than me? Because it's pink?
Of course, because it's pink. Like, it has a wow factor. You need a wow factor. Where's yours?
So I need to pee in it.
What? No, that's disgusting. You don't get people sick. What the hell's wrong with you?
What can I do to sell?
I don't know. You just have to get something that'll grab people's attention.
People's attention. I know. Yeah, Candy, shake it. Lemonade, 25 cents. Girls with big butts drink it.
Oh, that is hot.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Cherry boy. Oh, man, I just make it like that in Britain.
Yeah, so y'all want some lemonade?
Of course.
Oh, sure.
Okay, get on the line. All right, boys, come get y'all
Oh,
some
man,
lemonade.
I can't wait for my cup. Thanks.
Yeah, Candy, keep shaking it. The more shaking you get, the more sales I get. Hey, don't touch. Hey, you can look, but don't touch.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's fine booty right there, though.
Look at that, Ken. How disgusting. Using sex appeal to promote sales. Still, that is a lot of money. Ken, I know I'm the jealous type, but I'm gonna do this because I love you.
All right, thanks for coming.
All right, thank you for the lemonade, little fella.
All right, go
Oh,
on,
let me get a
here.
booty grab.
No, do not grab her butt. Do not touch the merchandise.
Oh,
Just-
booty. All right,
Okay.
anyway, thank you.
Whoa, look at all this money.
Hey, boys, look over here. No sales. I guess it's just too much man for them.
Excuse me, have you seen my daughter?
Is that her over there?
Huh? Candy! Come with me, young lady. Hey! Come back with my ass! I need more sales!
You lost your attraction, Junior. Mine's not going anywhere.
Whoa, man, what you got over here?
And you're all sticky.
Excuse me.
Oh, hi there.
What you got going on over here, folks? Pink lemonade?
Yeah, pink lemonade. That's it.
Give me a cup of that.
Okay, coming right up. There you go.
Oh, some pink lemonade.
Enjoy.
Ooh, this sweet like Kool-Aid. 1, 2, 3. $3.25. I'm making a lot of money. Huh? But Cody's still getting all the sales. Oh, stupid pink lemonade. What can I do to stop him from getting sales? I know. He wants to play hardball. I'll play hardball.
All right, so what'd you want, kid?
All right. See that lemonade stand over there?
The pink one?
Yeah, yes. I want you to rough it up a little bit. You know, run him out of town. Run him out of business.
Yeah, okay. It's gonna cost you a bit, though.
How much is it going to cost?
It's gonna cost about $3.25.
Hey, but that's all my earnings for the day.
Yeah, sorry, kid, that's business.
Well, I mean, after you run them out of town and all the customers come running to me, I'll make all that money back, right?
Yeah, sure, whatever.
All right, so you take your money and then go do it.
Did you just pop that in my mouth? Yeah, I don't have hands.
Okay.
Hey there.
Hey.
Can I get you some pink lemonade?
No, I'm good. It's nice lemonade stand you got here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, be a real shame if something happened to it. Real damn shame.
What was that?
I don't know.
Yeah, it would be a real shame if something happened to it. I worked really hard on it.
Oh, you did? Huh. Okay.
What the hell was that?
Yeah, sorry. He worked really hard on it, you know?
Well, yeah, I worked really hard on mine, too. Go rough it up. I paid you $3.25. If you're not going to do anything, give me a refund.
Oh, you're not getting that back. I swallowed it.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm going to go rough it up.
Oh, hey, Junior, you want a free cup of lemonade because we're friends?
How about that for free lemonade, huh?
Junior!
How about this?
Junior!
How about that? How about all that? Huh? Stupid lemonade stand!
Junior, stop!
Freeze right there, guys! How about that? Stop! What? Stop! What is going on here? He's taking all my sales of this lemonade stand! You're coming with me. You just... Who called the cops? Who called him?
Oh, I did. Yeah, that was rude, man.
Let me go, you stupid pig! Oink, oink, oink!
Settle down before I shoot you in the head.
What were you gonna do to me?
Well, it's illegal to rough up somebody's lemonade stand. So because of that, I'm revoking your lemonade license.
What?
You are no longer allowed to sell lemonade or lemons in the state of Florida ever again.
But hey, how am I gonna make money?
Get a real job, guys.
I still have 1 cup of lemonade left. I can't sell lemonade anymore. How am I going to earn money for the toys? There's still hope. I have 1 cup left. Cup of lemonade, $300.
Hey, Junior.
What do you want, Cody?
Well, I know this lemonade stand means a lot to you, and my operation's important, but I figured I'd give you all of my earnings.
What? Really? You really mean it?
Yeah, even though you destroyed my lemonade stand and were a jerk to me all day, I figured I would just give you my money.
Well, Cody, that's so thoughtful. You're a true friend. You really mean it?
Nope!
What?
Psych, dweeb!
Oh!
Peter Snuckman, here I come!
Hey! Yeah! Wow! Cody, I hope you get chlamydia.